In this video, I will be showing you how to sign into Grok 3. Let's get started. First, I go up to the address bar on my browser and type in Grok, then hit enter to start a Google search. Once the search results load, I look down and click on the very first link for Grok.com to open up the platform. Now that the homepage has loaded, I move my mouse up toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the Sign In button. This takes me to the main login screen where I can choose how to access my account. I select the top option, which is to log in with Google. On the Google Sign In page, I see my existing account listed, so I go ahead and click on my profile email name to proceed. The page updates to tell me that I am being redirected, and after a brief moment, it brings me straight into the main Grok user interface. To explore what this setup has to offer and see what model is running, I click inside the text input box at the bottom that says, "What do you want to know?" I type in a question asking, am I currently using the Grok 3 model? If not, which Grok model am I using right now? Once that is fully typed out, I move over to the right side of the text box and click the arrow button to send the message. The system begins processing the request, indicating that it is working on a response. It searches the web for current data regarding the latest model version releases, running a few quick queries in the background. After a few seconds of loading, the results begin generating on screen. I scroll down through the response text to read the information it found. The text notes that I am actually interacting with a more recent Grok model variant, rather than Grok 3, which originally launched back in early 2025. It provides a helpful quick context breakdown comparing the older Grok 3 capabilities with the current generation, highlighting key improvements made to the system's reasoning capabilities, context windows, and multimodal functions. To dive a bit deeper into these model variations, I scroll down toward the bottom of the page and click on a suggested follow-up query chip that reads, "Explore Grok 4.3 capabilities." The system immediately begins working on a new search, pulling up the latest benchmark specs, enterprise use cases, and feature sets. As the detailed breakdown populates the screen, I scroll down to look at the key specifications. I can see the exact context window size, input modalities, and structured output capabilities listed clearly. I continue scrolling down slowly through the standalone capabilities, strengths in practice, and comparative analysis sections to get a full view of how the platform operates. Everything looks completely set up and ready to go. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.